Well, you left already. Juliana, you wanna play now? This. Oh, the water is gone, Juliana. Juliana, the water is falling. Juliana, the water. See, it's coming out. See? Do you wanna go get more water? I thought it's gonna go out here. Oh yeah, the water is not gonna go down. That is too low. Too. Yeah, that's not how. Oh, this is how you do it, Juliana. See, it's easy. I'm making a bridge. See, you have to do this, but this is how you do it. See, here you go. Oh, good thing. Oh, nice. Stop saying that word now. Say please. Oh no, you just hurt her feet. No, that's not nice. Uh oh. Uh oh. That's really hard earlier. Good thing you guys know how to get out, huh? Earlier when Tai was pushing you guys. Are you gonna do your? Yeah, the air is clean here. No pollution. Gilana, you have your own water. No, come here. Who's gonna play this step too? It's a lot of fun on Gilana. That's the fun on you. Give her the spot and you can sit there. Give her the finance though. Give her a little bit finance. Put it on the plate, Gilana. Here. Here's the plate. Yeah, there you go. It's okay. You can just put it there. We're not. It's gonna be. Give me that. Give me. There's other space here. Gilana, you wanna? Okay, Gilana, just put some on the plate and give it to Julene so she can let you. Where's Jewel? Oh, Jewel is there. Jewel. So did you do the? Oh, Daddy changed the brake.